of speech is nothing but the sentence. In sentence, each and every word means something, right? So you have already studied. This is a very well-known thing. I have already told you also, and you also have already replied everything. You all know all this, which is nothing but noun, verb, adverb, adjective. Okay. Can anybody say how many parts of speech are there?
8.
Yes.
9.
Yes. So you can say 8 also, you can say 9 also, you can say 10 also. Okay. Because in some places, what they do is they divide a single part of speech into two. For example, adjective can be divided into adjective and determinants, and determinants can further divided into article. So actually, English grammar right now has identified 9 parts of speech, but there can be 10 or it can be also said as 8. Okay, so the correct answer can be 9. Got it?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes. So we will do little bit of some exercise. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Anybody not able to see? Aryan, can you see?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now I would like everybody to unmute your mic, because you are all are going to answer continuously. Everybody unmute your mic. Don't mute it.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Abhinav, Adarsh, Devraj, Misty, Nikhil, Pranav. Everybody just unmute your mic. Okay. Very good. Chalo, we will go ahead. In whose house or in whose mic so much noise is coming, they alone can mute. Others can unmute. Okay, Adarsh, you can mute your mic. Okay. Chalo. So you all know there are 8 parts of or 9 parts of speech. So as I said, some part can be divided into 2 parts. Few people divided into 2, while few people does not divide into 2. Okay. So you all know this: noun, pronoun, adjective, determiner, article, verb, adverb, preposition, conjugation, interjection. Is any part of this is new to you all? Do you all know all these things? Nikhil,
Yes.
do you know all this 10? Or is any one new to you? Nikhil, do you know all 10?
Yes, miss.
Can you give an example for a determiner?
Determinant. Miss, I don't.
Okay. Abhinav, can you give an example for a determiner? Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
do you know what a determiner is?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do anybody know what a determiner is?
Yes, miss. Article.
Yes, Devraj.
Like A and the.
Yes, very good. As I said, the adjective can be divided into a determiner, and determiner can further divided into an article. Determiner is something which determines a noun. It usually shows after a determiner, a noun will follow. For example, after a or after the or after an, noun will follow. So that can also be called as an article. Okay. And determiner also means which determines the amount of noun. For example, some, most of, or few of, all these things are also called as determiners. See, some, many, there were some students, there were many students. This some and many also is called as a determiner. Okay, it is a kind of an adjective which defines your noun. Everybody understood what I'm saying?
Yes,
Yeah,
miss.
ma'am.
Okay, so it is nothing like you can call this three as just an adjective. Adjective is which determines a noun or which describes a noun. Among that, which determines the amount of noun will come as determiner, and which denotes the following of noun will be called as article. Okay, so anybody know what is the interjection is? Interjection.
What
This
miss?
word 10th one, interjection.
Yes, miss.
Oops, I spilled the milk.
Yes,
Yes,
very
miss.
good. Oops, alas, well. Okay, all this with exclamatory mark. Ouch, wow. Yeah, very good. Oh, yeah. Everything which is which
Welcome.
yes, which all the exclamations are called as interjections. Very good. Okay, now what is a preposition? Yes, Priya.
With, by,
Yes, be, by, on, in, at, over the.
in,
Yes, of, in, for,
under,
anything. Yes, under. Okay, so anything which connects one noun to another noun, or it shows the relationship between two words, that is called as a preposition. Okay, very good. So what is a conjugation?
by, and, but, therefore, when,
Yes, and, but, neither, nor, because, unless,
when,
of.
after.
Yes, very good. Everybody did a very good job. Very good job. Okay. So you all know what is what. So we will just have one exercise with it. Okay. You all know match the following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is little different kind of match the following. You are seeing all the words filled here. So we will arrange it properly. Okay.
Okay.
So there is pronoun, there is conjugation, adjective, interjection, preposition, determinant, article, adverb. So from we will start and we will arrange it on these boxes accordingly. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So there are so many words. So everybody will get an opportunity. One by one, you can say. Let's first start with Abhinav. Okay. Abhinav. Abhinav, can you hear me? Hello, Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abhinav, are you seeing so many words here? They are not arranged properly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will arrange it in this orange box. So in this blue box, you are saying pronoun. Can you pick one pronoun from these words? Abhinav, can you see any pronoun in these words?
Means the.
No, Abhinav, the is not a pronoun. What is a pronoun, Abhinav? Can anybody say what is a pronoun?
Many.
No, many.
Ma'am,
is not
a
a pronoun.
pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun.
Yes, it is a word which is used to replace the noun. Okay. So, can you someone say any example of a pronoun?
It.
Yes, it is an example. Good.
The sometimes. No.
Mohan is my friend.
My is a pronoun. Yes, very good. Any other example?
Yes, Miss.
Anybody.
Mohan is my friend.
Yes. Dad.
That is not a pronoun.
Ma'am, you.
You, yes, you is a pronoun. Very good.
You who?
Okay. So, he, she, it, her, him, they, we, us, are, all these things are pronoun. And it is a trick question. There is no pronoun here.
Mama.
Okay. So, let's go to conjugation. Abhinav, can you pick a conjugation from these words? Or how about Pranav? Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
can you pick a conjugation from these words? Na? Pick one conjugation.
Very.
No, very is not a conjugation.
Conjunction.
Conjugation is some. Yes. But is a conjugation. Very good.
Ma'am, and
Before.
when
And
Conjunction.
and is a conjugation. Very good.
Before means.
when
Yes.
when
Before is a conjugation.
ma'am, when
Okay. Can be a conjugation. When is not here right now. When can be a conjugation also. It can be a preposition also. For example, see, there are few words which can fall under different
Then if-
category. Yes? Yes, Adarsh.
ma'am,
What you're saying, it. It is a pronoun. Adarsh, it
And
is a
if-
pronoun. Okay.
ma'am,
If. Yes, if can be a conjugation. Yeah. If is a conjugation. Any other conjugation is left here?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Aryan.
मैम अब इसमें नहीं है.
Okay. What about unless?
Unless.
Yeah.
मैम
Conjunction
adjective.
means.
What is the adjective, Aryan?
Describe
What is
noun.
Yes, it describes a noun. So unless, does it describe a noun? Can you use unless in a sentence? Somebody, can you say an example with unless in a sentence?
Adjective.
I will
Example.
unless you stop eating.
Yes, Misty, can you say once again?
I will be sick unless you stop eating.
Yes, I will be sick unless you stop eating. Okay. Okay, so it's a good example. So we can say I will be sick unless I stop eating this ice cream. Okay, can we make it like that? So what is happening here? Here there are two sentences. One is I will be sick, another one is I should stop eating this ice cream. And we are connecting these two sentences together with the word unless. So now what is unless? When a word is used to connect two sentences, then what it is called?
Unless is conjunction.
Yes, unless is the conjunction. It's very good, Misty. It also used to connect two words. Okay, got it, Aryan? It is not an adjective because it does not describe a noun. It is used to connect two sentences. Got it, Aryan? Understood?
Yes, miss.
Okay, very good. Now let's move on to adjective. Adil, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Can you pick one adjective from these words? Yeah, pick one
Yes, ma'am.
adjective. Yes,
Naughty.
very good. Naughty is an adjective.
Ma'am, intelligent.